Depression affects over 18 million Americans every year, and in 2017, Utah had the highest rates of depression in the country, and there were no active TMS clinics at that time. As I started studying it and researching and really understanding the science behind it, I was amazed. TMS really offers new hope for individuals and their families who have struggled and hit their heads against the frustrating wall of depression for years and years and years. I founded TMS Success for a couple of different reasons. One, I've been working with individuals and couples and families for 24 years now, and I've watched people struggle and suffer with depression and medication and the side effects and the impact that depression has on not only the individual but their marriages and their parenting, their children. And we here at TMS Success have been able to establish a really caring and effective treatment environment for our patients. The thing that causes both depression and anxiety is underactivity in the brain. And TMS uses gentle magnetic stimulation, about the same magnetic strength as an MRI machine, to get that neurotransmission process going. And the research shows that once it's going, it keeps going. Our brains are designed to work well. There's reason for you to hope. There's every reason for you to hope. You do not have to stay depressed.
I'm super grateful that I made the call and I had the courage to come in here and give this a try. It literally saved my life. It gave my kids their mom back, and my husband got his wife back, and most importantly, it gave me my life back.
For anyone who is exploring, wanting to learn more about TMS and maybe a little hesitant, I would absolutely, without any reservations, recommend coming and meeting with them. Learn about the process and give it a try. You won't regret it.
Come in here. I'm like, give them a call. It saved my life. There's hope. There's life out there.
St. George is not a big city. We're a fairly small, tight-knit community. And so who are we treating? We're treating our friends, we're treating our neighbors. In fact, one of the very first people that I treated was my mom. It's been so awesome to watch the effect in her life. We're treating our family, we're treating our neighbors and our friends, and those that are not our friends yet become our friends. When you come to TMS Success, you become part of the TMS Success family. If somebody that you care about is suffering from depression, please share this with them. We want you to find hope and to be able to instill hope in your life again.
TMS Success has definitely changed my life, and I know it can do the same for you.